Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you have to be standing on your foot all day or walking a lot, these are the perfect shoes for you. These are the men's Bradley Vive Oxford Clarks shoes. In my office, I have to stand a lot and walk a lot, and these are very comfortable. As soon as you put them on, they feel so soft and comfortable on your feet. And on top of that, I really appreciate that the material is excellent quality. It's 100% leather, so it's very durable. It's very well padded at the bottom. It's very soft, which it makes it so comfortable to wear, especially if you're walking a lot. These shoes have been very durable, very sturdy. I've had them for a little bit now, and they've been going strong. I think these are the perfect pair of shoes for an everyday wear. So if you're looking for a very comfortable pair of shoes for walking, for standing all day at work, I really recommend this pair by Clarks, and that is my point of view.